Your equation of a line is in slope-intercept form when it's in the form y equals mx plus b. So when it's in this form, m and b are going to just be two numbers, but the m value is going to be your slope, and the b value, whatever that is going to be your y-intercept. So when we have the equation in this form, the slope will always be your m. So we've got multiple different kinds of slope. So just like we do interval notation left to right, we read a graph left to right, slope is still the same. It's from left to right. So a positive slope from left to right would be going up. A negative slope from left to right would be going down. If it helps, sometimes I even draw like a person on it, and if they were walking to the right, they'd be going uphill on a positive slope. If it were negative, they'd be walking downhill on a negative slope. An undefined slope is a vertical line. An undefined slope means if you were trying to like walk on it, you really couldn't walk on it at all because it's straight up and down. Zero slope is the flat line or the horizontal line. Zero slope means there would be zero hill. So if you were walking, it would just be flat. Undefined is the vertical line that goes straight up and down. So multiple types of slope. So then the other piece that you can find right from this equation is your y-intercept, which is the b value at the end of your equation when it's in this form. And that's going to be the b. It's a bad b. But the y-intercept is the point on your y-axis. So that would just be a point you could plot without having to do much work. And then the x-intercept, it's not in this equation given, but you can always solve for it by just plugging in 0 for the y and then getting the point on your x-axis. But the y-intercept and the slope are right already in this equation when it's in that form y equals mx plus b.